see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today.
No, ito luto na yung biho. Huh? Happy birthday, Kuya.
Thank you, Tita Dan and Tita Ray. Thank you for the birthday greetings. Thank you for letting me be number 1. It's okay if I'm number 2 if your baby comes out, boy or girl. See you next time. Bye.
Pinabis namin si Sa kasi pinadala ni Tito Dan niya at Tita Ray niya yung regalo sa kanya. Nakuha namin ngayon. Ngayon is Thursday. Ayan na siya. Tignan natin ang reaction niya. Hindi niya pa napanood yung video ni Riz kagabi. Tingnan mo kasi si Daddy. Ang tagal naman ni Daddy. Nag-edit ako kasi kahapon sobrang busy ko, diba? So hindi ako nakapag-edit para ngayong vlog sana. So nag-edit ako. Tapos na. Tagal naman ni Daddy. Wala siyang kaalam-alam. Yun na yan.
That's coming miles on it from.
I cover it, hon. Let him open it. Hon.
Hey, you know. Oh.
I don't know.
You want my help?
Someone's turned up.
Someone said it to you.
That was red. You want my help? That's what you do.
Can you put the lights, Kuya? Zach, I can't see you.
Yeah, I will.
Put a lot of things out.
No, it's alright. It's alright here. You have to read the card.
Read the card.
Yeah.
Louder, please.
West Coast.
Zach, Kuya,
Hold the card.
turn off the light, Kuya, because it's too bright.
Here, I know. Here, oh.
Louder.
Hang on.
Happy birthday, Zach. Tita Ray and Tita Dan. How do I send it here?
Huh?
How do I send it?
How they said it?
Here, want me to get the badge off? No. Okay. I'll get the badge off then. What is he?
Yay!
What is that?
I'm riding on the bus.
Oh man.
Wow, lucky you.
Hey, can I go this off again?
Tingnan mo siya. Hoy!
I know you how to do it. It's just like this. It's just. It's just like that other game.
I like this.
You like that?
It's just like
God, it's so hard to beat a lot of people.
Can you change the guns?
Can we get better as you go?
Thank
You
you.
machine guns?
Is it from my birthday?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Tita Dan and Tita Ray, for the Spider-Man game. And thank you for that West Coast badge.
Alam niyo ba, yinayaya niya ang daddy niya kagabi. Pumunta sa EB game. Is it EB game, right, Han?
I can't do it, Zach.
Honey, is it EB game that Zach wants you to go?
Yeah.
Oo, kasi di ba meron siyang ayan, kasi meron na binigay sa kanya yung tita Mel niya. And yan ang gusto niya, Spider-Man. Ano? Come here.
Football, but when I go to EB Games, I'm gonna get a football. Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
That's not from me. I open it, yes.
You have to do all stuff like at the start I have to do some jobs or I have to go. Then I think I never have played it. Oh, I played it on the PS3 and then Holly broke it. Then I
You look close.
is that a grenade? Okay. Got it. Now I got it.
Diba? Taranta siya. Talaga niya sa
Can you
taranta si Zach.
One there.
Ito mo kasi tingnan mo, naglalaro siya.
How did he know I wanted a Spider-Man?
Come on, huh?
No, no, we don't want to get them yet.
Oh, we can't hear you.
How did he know I wanted
Who?
a Spider-Man game?
How?
We're done.
How Tito Dan?
Yeah.
Because you're best friends. Of course he knows what you want.
Well, where did he buy it?
Ask Tito Dan when you see him. I don't know.
Good.
One up here.
You like it?
Did Dad buy his game?
Yes.
Dad, did you buy your game, Han?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, this is new. Kasi kanina nagpa-blood test ulit siya.
Contract. I was right. You wrong. I'm wrong.
And bumili si Jan ng another
We
game.
should have done it a different day. Like Tito Dan and Tito Ray, thank you for giving this game. How did you know I wanted this game? Because I posted get it at EB Games and I got this
Gift card.
Get a gift card.
EB game card. This. And I was supposed to get Spider-Man. Now I'm gonna get a different game.
Yes, kagabi kasi inayaya niya si daddy niya na bumili sila ng ngayon. Okay, sa Saturday na bibili raw siya ng Spider-Man. Say thank you.
Thank you. Can I have a go?
Wow, I don't know, that's the...
No, this.
Ask daddy.
Nah, it's not his PS4.
Oh yeah, massage us.
Oh, it's not Friday yet, remember?
Oh,
We have a rules also.
come on.
We have a rules, Friday.
So you don't want to go.
Ito, tingnan mo, mayroon siyang game. What do you call this game, Han?
Huh?
What do you call this game?
Sniper contract.
What's this?
Pinapanood ko sa kanya yung vlog ni Rayce kagabi. This is Tito Dan. Kuya. Oh no.
Cheese.
You wanted cheese?
Cheese, yeah, platter. Cheese platter.
You got cheese platter.
Did they drive all the way here?
Hmm?
Did they drive all the way here?
Tito is coming here? No. No.
Pizza pa more. Pizza pa more.
Wait, Tito Dan has a message for you.
Ako, babe.
Well, it's part of my heritage. I love pizza, so you gotta respect my heritage as well. I respect yours.
What's part of my heritage?
The looks.
You eat balot, right, Sa? Balot. The egg in the Philippines, remember?
And I need to pee.
And you'll be at mum's in 5 minutes.
And you're like, we need to get this game for Zeki boy.
He's my mate.
He's my mate.
He's your mate?
He's my mate.
Ang cute ng video nila. Holly wants, oh my gosh, my head. Holly wants a girl. And Zach wants a, oh, at first he said, I want a girl because,
It was neutral.
no, at first,
TJ said boy.
at first though, Zach said, I want them to have a girl, so Tito Dan still plays with me.
I still play with Zachary.
You will still play with all the kids in the world.
I'm a big kid.
I'm close to the race.
Okay.
Yeah, Zaki boy, do
And
not
the
worry. He
baby.
will still play with you. Play with
I
the
wish
baby
he
and
said
play with you.
Boy.
He will play with all the babies and the kids. Oh, his question though, am I still your number one, Tito?
Still number one, Zachary. Still number one, mate.
Aww. He said you're bro, he doesn't know what it means.
He's my bro.
Where did he get that? Did you tell him that?
At school.
Aw, but he doesn't.
Pinipigilan niyang mag-smile.
John said it's brother. He's like, no, it's not. And then,
What do you think of that, Zach? Tito Dan said.
yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Good.
I can't hear you.
Good.
Good. Are you happy now?
Sort of music.
Adding.
Ah, what's that?
Reason why.
But, what did you say last night? It's okay if you are?
Number two. Number two.
Yes. And it's okay if you are number 2 because the baby will be, the baby is number
One.
1. And Tito Dan is still gonna play with you, right? What you gonna say, Tito Dan? Huh?
Thank you.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Nahiya siya. Are you shy? Huh? I don't know.
I know where they're going.
Where?
You just skipped a bit too.
What?
Tito Dun's mom.
Tito Dan. What? Where's Tito Dan?
Dun's mom.
Ah, Tito Dan's mom. They're going to Tito Dan's mom.
John said it's brother. He's like, no, it's not.
It's blurry.
And then Kuya TJ was so cute, like, hey bro. Hey bro. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello, bro.
Ngayon lang siya sa mga 8 dahil siguro doon sa rock music.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Dog.
Ah, this is Tito Dan. Look what Tito Dan did. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Just. Oh, yeah. If it's sour,
Look,
it's salt.
the effort of Tito Dan did here for you, Baba.
See? Zach, this video. My video is gonna be up on Wednesday. This video. Yeah. So Zach's birthday. I think so, or maybe a bit, maybe a day early. But just, yeah, that's okay. Just give Zach your message, birthday message.
It's for Wednesday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Zach. Hope you had a great day. I look forward to seeing you soon. And you're my little buddy.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
Oh, what's your present?
Go to the West Coast. Go to the Eagles.
What's your present? Oi?
I know you're going to it's a surprise.
No, Manai's not gonna show this to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zachy, got you one of these. Manai, if this hasn't arrived in the mail yet, don't show Zachy the video.
Yep.
Please. That's for Zachy. That's his card.
Did you write on the card
Not
already?
yet, I'll write it in a sec.
Okay.
So,
So you will wrap it as
so
well?
keep it a surprise and hopefully you get it on your birthday.
Yeah, we don't think so, but do you want me to do it for you?
Oh. I'll do it.
Okay. Nana! Just got like a whole thing. Right. There you go. Good job, my love.
That's what I do.
So you will ship this tomorrow?
We'll ship it tomorrow.
Yep.
Post it tomorrow.
Post it tomorrow.
Wow.
1.23 seconds.
Wow.
And starts
What do you think, Zach?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Good? Ano pa kasi advertise pa? Sinailan ko muna.
Mom, I take a picture of your work.
What you gonna say to Tita Ray's?
Thank you and Tito Dan. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I love Tito Dan and Tito Ray.
You love
And the baby.
Oh, you love Tita Ray's and Tito Dan?
And the baby.
And the baby. Are you excited to see the baby soon?
Which is the tail.
It's a girl. Are you sure it's a girl?
Ew, that done a purple.
No, he's just playing. Do you think it's a girl, Baba? We'll find out soon this week. We
I
will.
think it's a boy or a girl.
Ano?
I think it's a boy or a girl.
What do you think?
I know because if it is the tail, but it's not the tail.
Very long.
So what it is? Girl or boy?
I think it's a boy or a girl.
Oh, you changed boy or girl. What do you feel? Boy or girl?
Boy.
That Holly, boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl. Oh, wait, kasi advertise pa, oh. Don't skip. We don't skip.
Why? You have lots of money.
Oh, I don't have lots of money. This is Tita Ray's vlog. We don't skip. I don't have money. Did you say I have money?
Yeah, you have money.
Where?
In your wallet.
Huh?
Right in your wallet.
Where's my money?
What are you doing?
In the bank. Wala naman ginawa. What did you eat for dinner? Leftover from yesterday. Yun ang kinain nila. And, nag-agawan sila sa cake. Who ate my cake?
Dad, there's still only a little bit left. Can I eat it all?
No, that's mine. I will make tomorrow.
So it has to say happy birthday, Zach.
No more
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Holly's next.
No, just a regular cake because we're just
put icing on it, just like that.
the same chocolate frosting. You like it? Daddy loves it. How about you, Zach? You like it?
Yeah. What tape? But I didn't try it with cream.
Oh, it's good with cream, and then Dad heat it up in the microwave. Ang sarap.
Mom,
Ang haba kasi nitong advertise na to. Ha?
I like a pink cake with
Pink cake?
cream with baby shark.
With baby shark.
Let's say video.
Do you think when you grow up, Zach, you still mate with Tito Dan? Well, Tito Dan will be older when you grow up. Oh, sorry. Okay na. Ayan.
And we wrote, happy birthday, Zach. Love, Tito Ray's and Tito Dan. And then, go the Eagles.
Tita Riz is so tired.
Naka-transfer ko lang ng files. I just transferred the files to the computer. Your Zach is spelled wrong.
What's that?
Yeah. It should be Z-A-C-H, not K.
Tito Ray's and Tito Dan. Happy birthday, Zach. Love,
Okay.
Tito Ray's and Tito
Supposed to
Dan.
be what, Zach?
Go the
H.
Eagles.
Why his name has a H?
Because that's Zachary. So that's Tita Ray's vlog. Here, they went here, Zach.
Bunny.
You know what Tito Dan's supposed to get to you? Or actually, Tito Dan got it. You watch. Wait.
Cheese, yeah, platter. Cheese platter.
They went to the... Oh, wait. Here.
Okay.
Wow. You want me to come with you? Yeah. Okay. Sinabihan niya si Jan. Bilhan ko si Zach ng backpack. Sabi niya, di, dami niya backpack.
Remember the backpack?
Oh yeah.
You still have that one, right? You keep it, right?
What game is it? Do you know what you're getting?
Crash Bandicoot.
Wow. You want me to come with you?
That was.
PS4?
Hey, that's the one that Dad wants.
What's the name again?
Crash Bandicoot.
Okay,
It is
naman
not.
dito, oy.
Sniper contract.
Guys. No, hindi niya alam kung meron na
We've
sila
already
dito
got that.
or wala.
That's right. That's why Tito Dan changed it to Spider-Man.
How do you know we already got that?
Wow. Because Tito Dan texted Dad if you have that game and Dad said
We do.
you do.
He said it was a good track. He said Crash Bandicoot.
So are you happy the effort that Tito Ray and Tito Dan? Huh? Are you happy?
Are they gonna go back in?
Hmm?
Are they gonna go back in? It had Dad going on. We wanted. No, Tom Cruise.
Diba, seryoso talaga. Nanonood talaga sila, oh.
Baka kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Naiingi pa ako.
See the effort of Tito Ray and Tito Dan?
What if?
Effort, like, you know, the effort to go to the shop. Even Tita Ray's is pregnant and feel dizzy. You still get your gift because... In-on niya, oh. So, ano sasabihin mo?
Okay.
That's it? Mahiyain siya. Mahiyain na si Sak, guys. Hindi na siya tulad ng bata na ang daldal niya, di ba?
Sa bahay ng mama niya,
I'm telling you, Chona.
It's 14 minutes na to. That's it, Sak. It's finished. Siya talaga, inuulit niya, oh. What? You want, where?
Where's the one where he bought the Spider-Man?
The Spider-Man. Gusto niya panoorin when Tito Dan wrapping it?
No, where he bought.
Oh, no. They didn't show it here. But they went back to change it.
what else did you have?
Oh,
chocolate. Yeah.
Okay.
Slowly.
So you're done? So close the vlog now. Let's close the vlog, Kuya. Close the vlog.
Thank you, Tito Dan and Tito Ray. Thank you for the wonderful view. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Good night. Yun lang yung vlog, guys. Good night. Tinext namin si Dan kasi, ay si Race kasi alam ko late tong vlog nyo mapapanood. Kaya tinext na lang namin si Race. Bye.
Thank you, Tito Dan and Tito Ray. Thank you for this West Coast card. And my favorite player is Nick Nui, and thank you for the Spider-Man gift. Did you send it all the way to Australia just for my birthday? And I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you, Tito Dan and Tito Race.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.